Hi. So in this video, we're going to see how to connect a vnet to vnet with a vnet peering, right? So in the previous video, we saw how to connect a vnet to vnet via the virtual network gateway. Here we are going to see how to connect it via the vnet peering. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create two another virtual networks. Um, Virtual network. So I already have a resource group created, demo resource group. Let me have it as vnet3. I already have vnet2 and 3. Let me go to the IP address. I don't want, I'll have 24 and just create a subnet. Let it have a default subnet 10.2.0.0/25. Just creating a subnet here. Click on add. So just review it. The validation is running. I'm just creating it. I'm going to create another virtual network. Create a resource. Virtual network. Put it in the same resource group. Let it be vnet4. So next IP address. Let it be 24. So I have 256 addresses. Creating a subnet 10.3.0.0.25. Oh, it should be the subnet range, and this let it be a default invalid arguments 10 dot. Okay, it should be 0/25 10.3.0.20. Sorry, and I'm going to add it, review and create it. It's running for the validation. It passed. Just creating it. So we could see the deployments are completed. Both the deployments are completed. I'll go to home and see. Go to your resource group. You should see the vnet3 and vnet4 should be available. So now I'm just going to connect vnet3 and vnet4. Okay, so let me click on vnet3. Go to peerings, and the left hand side you have peerings, right? So click on the peerings. So currently we do not have any peerings. So click on add. Just give the peering link name. So vnet3 to vnet4. Do not touch anything. So traffic to remote virtual network, you allow it. Let the default be as such, and let the remote virtual link, let it be vnet4 to vnet3. So now I think we are connecting from vnet3, right? So you cannot, so see it's saying select a different virtual network. A virtual network cannot be peered by itself. So now connecting the vnet3 and vnet4. So I should give here vnet4 and click on add. So I've started creating the peering. Let's wait for a second. The vnet peering is completed. You could see the vnet3 and vnet4 is connected. The peering status is connected. So it's peered with vnet4. So let me go to If you wanted to go ahead and see whether vnet-4 is peered, just click on vnet-4 and could go and see peerings. So there's no peering added for here, and go and see the connected devices. So we don't have any connected devices here. So we have just connected only from vnet-3 to vnet-4. So go to vnet-3, go to the peerings. Yeah, so it's connected, right? So that's it. So this is how you create an different VNet and do a VNet peering. So then comes the next question. So what is the benefit of having a VNet peering and a virtual network gateway? The main difference is if you connect via the VNet peering, you would need to pay the outbound charges from VNet-3 and the ingress traffic which comes into VNet-4. Okay, the cost which is associated with the outcoming traffic of the VNet-3 and then the ingress traffic to the VNet-4, it's going to be a bit more higher than the virtual network gateway. Okay, if the data is going to be if you're going to use a large amount of data which is going to be moved from VNet-3 to VNet-4, then the cost which is associated with that is going to be still more, right? So that's the reason we can go ahead with virtual network gateway if the transaction or the data which you have the connectivity to the different VNets is more, you better go with the virtual network gateway, right? This is the similar difference that we have with the VNet peering and the virtual network gateways, right? I think this should have helped you to understand how to create a VNet and VNet and connecting a different VNets via the VNet peering and then the virtual network gateway. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Cloud Hub so you don't miss any updates. Thank you.